Hi, I'm Matt from Solidscape. Have you ever thought about 3D printing in-house? We've developed a small, compact wax 3D printer for the bench jeweler. This is the Solidscape Muse. Ask yourself, how many pieces do you need to 3D print daily? The Muse isn't a large format 3D printer, far from it. The Muse was developed specifically to serve the majority of jewelers worldwide who typically 3D print 1 to 2 pieces per day. 1 to 2 precision wax masters that can be treated directly with your standard injected waxes. The Muse is ultra compact. The small footprint of the Muse allows for it to be positioned in any environment, from a jewelry store, a busy workshop, to a bespoke gallery space. No special jiggery-pokery, precision wax masters that step straight into your existing casting cycle.